I'm Bob Dickerson, husband of Pam Fortner. We just moved here this July. I don't know, I think I was just destined to retire here. I have a serious drug addiction called motorcycling, and currently have 5 motorcycles. I envision a scenario where in my dotage I collect other old ratted out British bikes, bring them back to life, and this will be my own personal motorcycle shop to resurrect bikes that deserve to be resurrected. Working with your design people was really positive. Those folks knew what they were doing, they were very accommodating, and they made it fairly easy to get the building that we really wanted to do the things that we want this building to do. That was great. They're just a great group of guys. Young, strong, enthusiastic, extremely professional insofar as their work goes, and we love them. It was just outstanding having them build our building for us. The second thing I'm looking forward to is retiring and just doing the things I've wanted to spend all my time doing all my life, paddling my boat gently down the stream and riding motorcycles fast.